Hello and welcome to TNR Sales in Sublet, Illinois, where we're looking at various park models today. This one here is an old favorite of mine. It's a 2023 Canterbury model CKL. It's a really nice trailer. It's gray with white windows and white lineals, all thermal pane windows and doors. It's got a house type rear entry door. It's got a tall loft, super loft, flat floor. Canterbury's really good at building these trailers. Called a Canterbury Park View CKL. Might be a 1238 CKL, but at any rate, it's a CKL. I can't squeeze through there, so we're gonna go back around here. Let's go on in, because you can see the outside. It's a good looking trailer for sure. Ta-da! It's a loft model. It's got PVC flooring that emulates ceramic tile. You're gonna have a sleeper sofa. Take a look and verify. Yes, ma'am. You got a sleeper sofa. This unit comes with the TV and the sound bar. Used to be one of my best sellers. Probably still is. Stainless appliance package, a lot of cabinets. Canterbury uses full extension ball bearing drawer guides and some of the adjustable cabinetry. See, they got that adjusted all the way up. That's probably not where you want it. See what they got over here? Yeah, see, them are all adjustable. You just put them where you want them. Here's the ball bearing drawer guides I was telling you about. They pull out all the way. A little bit of storage under the stairs. Not much, but every little bit counts. I'm gonna count this probably a linen closet. Nope, it's a coat closet. Nice coat closet at that. So if you did decide you wanted a washer dryer, that's kind of the spot for one, although this will never have one. So there's the 50-inch TV it comes with. Nice queen bed. You got outlets and end tables, or nightstands rather. Very nice bunch of cabinetry here. Again, there you got your big closet. And then you have your drawers, all with full extension ball bearing drawer guides. So let's go check out the bathroom. It does have a nice bathroom. Here's the hall closet. This is probably where your towels and linens and such would be. Got really plenty of room there. Plenty. Anybody who says that ain't enough room doesn't need that many towels. So there's the toilet, the corner vanity, great big medicine cabinet. I don't know why you'd want to scan me, but that says that. Again, full extension ball bearing drawer guides. I mean, this trailer's got a lot to offer. It really does. It's a tub and a shower. Full-size tub. And then you got a head pan that gives an additional 6 inches of headroom. You have the window, so you can open the window. And then there's your full-size toilet. Going back out here, we'll recap a little bit. You got a house-type rear entry door, master bedroom in the back, Big closet, storage under the steps. Here's the kitchen and living room combo. 4 stools, stainless appliance package. We're gonna head up and look upstairs. Great big loft. The loft is about half the trailer. It's got a small entertainment center and a closet and an auxiliary air. And it's about 50 inches tall, give or take. Tell by looking. It's 16 feet long. Okay. Well, that pretty well concludes my tour of the 2023 Canterbury 38 CKL Park model. This one's available. MSRP's under 100, which is good for this day and age. There's the recap. There's the loft, the stairs. There's fixtures that still belong. There's some jars on the countertop. And there's the ceiling fan fixture. TV does fit right in over there. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. There's a lot of neat stuff here. Look out the window, you can see all the low-speed vehicles. There's plenty of them. Bicycles, golf carts, you name it. But at any rate, this is the 2023 Canterbury 38 CKL. Have a great day.